Can you see the shadow behind me? This shadow which is moving along with me. When I go down, it goes down with me. When I go up, it goes up with me. When I move, this moves along with me. This shadow is constantly following me since the day of my birth, and this shadow will only leave me when I die. This is the shadow of Rahu, guys. Yes, and the desire of Rahu keeps following us like this shadow. So, the reason behind our birth is to experience the desire of Rahu. So, Rahu, which doesn't have a physical existence, keeps following us and keeps pushing us towards our desire. It keeps overtaking our senses and pushes us forward. Go do it. You have to do it. Lie, cheat, steal, do whatever it takes. Any shortcut, but go ahead and get fulfilled with your desire. So, this is the shadow of Rahu, which is constantly speaking to us. What to do when we feel that we are getting overpowered by this shadow of Rahu? Rahu matures after the age of 42. So, whatever you try to do to fulfill your desire, you take any shortcut, you will end up making a mistake only, because it is only after 42 that the energy of Rahu matures and then it knows what to do. Before that, Rahu is like a kid who has toys and he wants to play and makes the maximum use of those toys, but he doesn't know the right way and breaks the toy. Rahu overtakes us and uses our life like a toy. And a baby with a toy, he does every possible thing he can do with the toy. So Rahu does that with us. The desire of Rahu overtakes us in that way, and we keep doing mistakes. We keep taking shortcuts, and at the end of the day, we realize that shortcuts don't work. So the day you realize that shortcuts never work, that is the day when this shadow of Rahu matures, and that is the day when Rahu will seriously take you towards success. Calm yourself down, guys. I know you have that desire. I know you have the desire to reach that status. I know you have the desire to become a famous singer, a famous actor, a recognized politician. I know you want to have that island somewhere and chill for the rest of your life. I know you want to gamble with all the money you've got and win billions just by your luck. Your Rahu will push you every way possible to take that shortcut. Don't take that shortcut. Believe in hard work. Follow Saturn and wait till 42 when Rahu matures. And after that, you have a rocket propellant in your hand which will take you to the peak of success. You just need to light the fire at the right time. And 42 is the right time when you add that spark to that propellant and it propels you out and lets you achieve your dream. So let the shadow follow you. You don't follow the shadow of Rahu. Right, guys? So good night. Adios. This is Purab signing off from Astrology. Purab's Astrology.